Crypto.com just shut down part of their business here in the US. I want to talk about that, talk about what this means for the overall crypto industry. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn that bell notification underneath the video so that you can get videos just like this as quickly as they're posted. And overall, the crypto market is red a little bit here today. The whole crypto market is just slightly red, but Bitcoin is down about 0.3%. XRP is actually up 2.4%, so good for XRP holders. That's great. But a lot of cryptos obviously down even more than that. Cardano, for example, down 6% in the last 24 hours. Polygon down 5.3%. A lot of the cryptos that have been listed on lawsuits recently are down significantly. And just a little reminder, first of all, we got the Binance US lawsuit. Then a day later, we got the Coinbase lawsuit. Coinbase does not look as bad as the Binance US allegations, but Binance US just said today that they're going to halt dollar deposits today and then halt dollar withdrawals. I believe it's Tuesday. So if you haven't already seen that video from this morning that I made, you want to take your crypto off, or at least your USD off. You can still move your crypto around. You can withdraw crypto and you can still deposit crypto and that kind of thing. But the SEC is trying to freeze Binance's assets, which means maybe you won't have access that much longer if the court actually grants this. So just be careful there. Now, crypto exchange Crypto.com is now winding down part of their business as well. They're winding down their U.S. institutional business. They say Singapore-based crypto exchange Crypto.com will no longer be offering their services to institutional clients in the U.S. effective June 21st. So 12 days from now, the company announced today. The exchange cited limited demand from institutional customers in light of the current market landscape. So they're not saying this is due to the SEC lawsuits, but the timing is questionable for sure. Retail investors will not be impacted by this decision and will continue to be able to use a platform in the US, including Crypto.com C-regulated up-down options. So this obviously really tied, I think, to the SEC lawsuits. They're basically not making much money, maybe even losing money from this part of their business. And they just say, hey, we're just going to try to get away from that as much as possible. If we're not making money, then why even have the business right now when everyone's under fire? So I understand what they're doing there. We know that they could be next on the chopping block coming from the SEC. So unfortunately, less people will have access to crypto. Less institutional investors will have access to crypto. Most use something like Coinbase, though. I don't think Crypto.com does much business, as we see evidence down here. They see limited demand. But I haven't really heard too much about their business in general on the institutional side. So this is coming also after Robinhood delisted or is set to delist Cardano, Solana, and Polygon, or Cardanzo, Solano, as Jim Cramer says. So it's a tough time for crypto. However, you can see this is how most people think. This is actually coming from Vox. They said now might be a good time to consider quitting crypto. This is when we're way down here. Well, when we were up at 65,000, they said Bitcoin's big day on Wall Street. The cryptocurrency fad isn't going away. Almost a year and a half ago. So just try to go against the grain as much as possible. Now I think is a good time to be plugging into the market and paying attention. That being said, I still am diversified, as I say in a lot of videos. I will be doing a video here very soon on some of the top cryptos I think to buy now, on some of this fear and uncertainty and doubt. But let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Let me know if this worries you to see more and more exchanges halting their business, or if this is just classic bear market vibes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.